charging is pretty amazing because what a lot of people don't realize is that over about 60% or higher of the chargers that you'll find around town, especially the ones that are sponsored by the city, are completely free. What I normally do is I start my day in the beginning with a full charge. So I usually plug the car in overnight, let it charge, and then when I wake up, it's full. Anyone who does rideshare realizes that there's an ebb and flow to rideshare. I mean, the mornings are super busy, but then between 10 and noon, there's a lull. And that's the time that most drivers take their lunch. So while your car is parked, why would it not be charging? And then the lull is over, 3:30, 4 o'clock comes, your car is fully charged and ready to go, and you start up again, and bada boom, bada bing, you're good to go. You don't have to have home charging. It's nice, it's a nice convenient thing to have, but it is not required. You can totally manage on public charging or just plug the car into the outlet in your garage.